Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to dive into more complicated questions for rearranging the formula, where we'll be looking into fractions and how we rearrange them to change the subject of the formula. If you look at question number 5, it says rearrange the formula y equals to x plus 2 over x minus 4. So what we're going to do is we're going to begin with getting rid of the fraction first. Whenever we have a fraction in rearranging the formula, it's always ideal to get rid of the fraction and then start solving it. So to get rid of the fraction, what we're going to do is we're going to cross multiply. Cross multiply. When I say we cross multiply, we multiply diagonally. And what happens is that y gets multiplied to x minus 4. X plus 2 remains as it is on the right hand side. We will multiply y with x and with negative 4, which gives us xy minus 4y equals to x plus 2. If you look at the question, they wanted us to make x a subject, which means we need to first bring all of the x terms on one side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move x over here, and I'm going to move negative 4y over here. So it becomes xy minus x, because we move to the other side, the sign changes, and 4y plus 2. The negative 4y became positive 4y on the right hand side. Next step after this is, since once again x has to be the subject, so we need to take x common first from the left hand side, because right now there's a y and we can't make x a subject with that y within the equation. So when you take x common, it becomes x times y minus 1 equals to 4y plus 2, and then we will move the y minus 1 to the next side, and it becomes 4y plus 2 over y minus 1. As you can see, x is isolated on the left hand side now. There is no other term with it, and every other term which we could see in the initial equation is on the right hand side. Similarly, question number 6 says that we have to make w the subject. We're going to follow the exact same steps as we did in the previous question. We first begin with getting rid of the fraction, and for that we will cross multiply. We will multiply the denominator with the term on the left hand side, so it becomes c times w plus 3 equals to 4 plus w. Expand the brackets. cw plus 3c equals to 4 plus w. Next is to make sure that w is, all of the terms which have w are on one side, so which means 3c moves over here and w moves over here. So cw minus w equals to 4 minus 3c. Next step is to take w common, because otherwise we can't make it the subject of the entire equation. So it becomes w times c minus 1 equals to 4 minus 3c. And in order to make w the subject of the formula, we will divide 4 minus 3c by c minus 1. And that gives us the answer for this question. If you have any questions regarding this, let me know in the comments below.